volume is low. Holy. This is the opening range through 5 minutes. 40 points. Well, good morning, people. If there's anybody in here. I always never know whether to talk in the beginning or not. Because I just feel like I'm talking to nobody, because, I don't know. If nobody talks in chat, but I see people watching, I'm like, I don't know if I should be saying anything or not. Because I'm not just going to sit here and talk to myself like a dummy. Okay. Okay. That was eventful. Took out the lows. What are we looking like here? Not like I really care, but let's see. Did we end up filling the whole gap? No. Not yet. Oh, my back.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you know the Red Sox are playing at 11 today?
Where? Oh, because it's Boston Marathon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, is that why they're doing it?
Yeah, they usually play for. That'll probably be some whole spectacle too. Boston probably loves it. The Red Sox are probably so happy that the marathon bombing happened. Because now it's just like the amount of fucking merchandise they're selling, dude. All this Boston Strong garbage and all that. It's probably done by the city hall. They're probably like, all right, we got to do something here to rally the people. And nothing brings people together like a good old fashioned tragedy.
It's fucked.
I wonder what other people are talking about. It's true
maybe
though.
the Boston Marathon
Like they get like a
actually wasn't
whole
that
new
bad.
friggin' jersey, probably hats, all this crap.
I don't think they're out there planning it, but I definitely do think they take it as like a business opportunity.
Yeah, they're like, yes, another 9/11, perfect. Even though I don't know what you could really sell off a 9/11, maybe American flag, whoever was showing American flags. I think a bunch of people bought American flags after 9/11. I don't really know what else you would do. Like, were the Yankees like the Red Sox or no?
Well,
Like, did the
instead of
Yankees have
actually
like New York strong or no? Was that a thing
no,
after
well,
9/11?
instead of just selling merchandise for 9/11, they just were like, okay, we're where's all the oil in the world? And they just, and then they were like, all right, we're gonna have a 15-year war with these guys to take their oil and resources.
I could have just sold T-shirts. Seems a little unnecessary. Yeah. I feel like as soon as you get used to something, it changes. Like every time in the market, it's like you sit there and you're like, dude, what is this volatility? And then by the time you get used to it, then like 3 days go by of you being used to it, and then it just changes back to something else.
And then you're like, dude,
Yeah.
these candles are so small.
Yeah, literally. And then like you get used to them, and then all of a sudden it's like random high spikes of volatility again, and you're like, oh my god, I literally hate volatility. Then I gotta sit there and teeter with myself if I want to go to micros, and then I don't. Because like even the range, like I'm like, wow, we were like 5 minutes in, and the range was like 40 points. Like, what is going on here? Like, shouldn't the range be like 300 points at this point already? Ooh, Solana's back up to 138 bucks.
Yep. I'm almost back to even again.
Mister. That's the thing. You would have been up if you'd put like the equal amount in. You would have what did you buy at 140?
Like 143.
Yeah, and then you could have bought again at 100 if you put the same amount in.
I would
You would
be
have been
up
like
like,
you'd be at like $122, $121 in
yeah, I'd be up like
price.
15% for 2 grand, so whatever that is.
Yeah.
Which isn't crazy, but
What is that? Like 300 bucks?
something like that.
It's the crazy part. You gotta be so rich for investing to matter, but then when you're so rich that even the numbers that print, like investing never makes sense. It always makes sense to go to the casino and try to double your money. I swear. You invest, and you just have to wait so long for so minimal gain or minimal returns based on the amount of money that you have. It's like, oh, you could
Yep.
put in 100K, but if you're putting in 100K to something, and if you're doing it semi-responsibly, that means your income is somewhere like your net worth and what you have is so much more. So when you make 1,500 bucks because you go up 15% in fucking a month, then you only made 15K, but you don't care about the 15K because you had a hundred grand to throw away. That's why you put it in a stock or a crypto. Just never makes sense. I show you this right. I don't concern myself what hypotheticals I couldn't be. I'm like, girl, what you mean? She's like, I don't believe. I don't understand, like, the VIX and stuff. God, you can't even, like, trade it on the 1 minute. It's, like, too fucking choppy. What are these gaps? keep seeing like those kids post videos of like those guys who are just all rich from like freelance brand scaling or whatever.
Yep.
And like literally, he's like, 2 years ago I was sleeping in a bunk bed, and now he's in like one of the fucking tallest high rises in Miami and like absolutely loaded. I'm like, dude, did we pick the wrong thing? I'm like, if we put 2 years into something else instead of trading, would we be rich?
Literally.
But they gotta deal with like clients and all this gay shit.
I don't know. It seems worth it.
But that's the thing. Like, I'm like, I don't have to deal with anything, and it only takes up a little amount of
Yeah,
time. And then I'm like, I'm so fucking bored.
That's the thing. It's like I wish I had something like that just to take up time.
That I could feel productive with instead of just being like, well, I'm planting siege. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals that couldn't be. Like, he just bought a Richard Mill and then just bought a fucking GT3 RS and he's 20. Like, I don't understand. Harold Vasquez? What's up, my dude? Hello, Harold. There's no way you've ever talked before. I would recognize the Harold. But nothing. Just waiting for something to happen. I literally don't know what people talk about on live streams. I really don't. I can't drum up conversation. The charts just go up and down. I got nothing to say to you, Harold. I got nothing. Like, I feel like everybody just sits there and does the intricate fucking analysis of the market right now. What can I narrate on? How was Easter weekend? Oh, right, yeah, you can talk about your weekend. That's the problem. I never do anything, so I never have anything to talk about. Good. I don't know. I didn't do anything. I went to the gym. I went out for Chinese food because I'm a big fatty. And that's about it. A very dull life. How was yours? Did you do anything crazy? With a name like Vasquez, do you even celebrate Easter? Did you go on an egg hunt? Drink. How are the accounts doing? I guess if you like to drink. I forget a lot of people like to drink too. I don't drink, so. But the accounts are doing well. They're egg hunt pro. I don't know how old you are. You could still believe in the Easter Bunny. These are the accounts. We're good. I mean, these ones I only have one win on, but I've only taken like friggin' one trade on them besides like a break even, no, because I had like a winner and a loser, but we're getting there. I don't know if I really have any payouts on the horizon here. I don't know like which accounts I guess these ones, these 51,700s and stuff, I'm close to a payout, but these ones I mean technically I only need like one more R, but I still need days to go by, so I don't even know if I can get a payout this week. 21 Fortnite Pro. You're a Fortnite pro? Is that what you do in your weekends? I feel like that game just peaked so long ago. And everyone's so good now. And not me. Oh yeah, I'm cooking. Do you trade props or no? It's just such a slow game. Like, let me see. Let me look at my calendar here. That peaked long ago, man. Exactly. I liked it in like 2018 or no, like 2019. That's what it's fun. Yes, I'm on Apex 2. How many accounts you got? Well, let's see. How many trading days have there been this month? Oh my god, I have infusions tomorrow. Oh. I tried a bit of ICT with standard deviation. I've heard of both of those things right now. I always hear like Koo be like -2 standard deviation, and that's like how he like targets shit sometimes. But I have no idea what the fuck that means. You trade 2 right now? Nice. Have you gotten a payout before with them or no? But like this month, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4. There's been 14 trading days, not including today. This will be the 15th, and I've only traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. I've traded 6 out of the 14 days. Granted, I only have 1 losing day in those, but still. What the fuck? No, thank you. You alive, Johnny? No, you're not. Okay, cool. Are you muted? Johnny deep in the hole right now? I guess. I don't know what happened. He's supposed to be my co-host. I'm supposed to have banter with him back and forth, but he's fucking gone, apparently. Because I don't know what to talk about by myself, so. You got an LLC? No, I was just starting to like look at that stuff. I don't even think you can get an LLC if you're trading. Like, or not that you can't get one, but I don't think you. Like, I think you end up getting like a sole proprietor instead. Why do you have LLC? And also, you avoided. I asked if you got a payout. You got to tell me right now. You have to tell me. I just got mine, and I think you should. I think it depends on the state. Whether did you get an LLC or a sole proprietor? I got denied. Your payout got denied. I'm going for 500. Why? What happened? I'm going for 500 and then clean slate it. What does that mean? You're going for 500 and then clean slate it. Sizing, oh, I guess sometimes 3 to 5, sometimes 8. Oh, like micros. Are you profitable, or you just made an LLC in hopes that you will be profitable? LLC, not hopes. I will be soon. I respect it. What made you go LLC over sole proprietor? Do you look at the calendar? Like the news calendar? Is that what you're talking about, like this? Yeah, if that's what you're talking about. I don't concern myself with hype. I forgot you go for base hits, 20 points, right? Yep. Oh, so you've seen before on trendline breaks. Yeah, I just go for like continuations. I'm just looking for like breakouts. I just go for I trade like flags. But yeah, why did you go for LLC instead of sole proprietor? Because isn't LLC you're like employing other people, and sole proprietor it's just you, but like you pay yourself out through the business. The furthest I've done is set up a bank account, like it's just a separate checking account that just all my trading stuff goes in and out of. But I never actually did like a LLC and or like sole proprietor. I figured it would be this year's problem when I actually make money, because I didn't even file taxes last year because I didn't fucking make any money. So, but this year I'm trying to make 200K. So. don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Like, girl, what you mean? She's like, I don't believe. S corp to save on self-employment tax, LLC, but for taxes, S corp. I'm confused. LLC, but for taxes, S corp. So why get an LLC? Richa, which trade copier do you use? I use Replicanto. I had to pay for it, but it looks like this. Like, it's just an add-on to NinjaTrader, and then you can have as many accounts as you want. That's your leader account. You can like copy exactly or whatever, and then instrument, and you can like change the amount of contracts somehow. Of like, if you want to trade like a different amount of contract, or yeah, it's in here I think. Like ratio, you can trade like one with like a couple contracts and one with more if you wanted to. Like, I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Like, girl, what you mean? She's like, I don't believe. Johnny, did you die?
I'm just sitting here. You're just yapping.
Dude, I fucking asked 5 minutes. Yeah, you're supposed to be my co-host here that I talk back and forth with, but I can't because you don't have any fucking input because you're a meatball. And I said like fucking 10 minutes ago, I was like, hello? And I'm like, oh, he must be gone.
Oh, I was watching something.
This guy is such a fucking donut. What's your Discord? I don't have a Discord. I have fucking 200 subscribers. Why would I have a Discord? Scale funded accounts. Treat trading as a long-term income stream. Deduct expenses, evaluations, tech, internet, mentorship, etc. Keep your business separate for taxes and growth. I'm using ChatGPT, bro. I ain't doing a let. Oh, all that, probably. Yeah, but I don't even think you need a fucking... I don't even think you need like an S corp or anything to do that, realistically, or LLC. You just fucking sit there and at the end of the year be like, okay, I spent this much. These are my expenses. Okay, I made this much. Okay, subtract my expenses. Okay, this is my total net, and then send that in, right? I'm still gonna do it at some point, but I know it's good for like getting loans because you can pay yourself through an S corp and be like, okay, I pay myself $4,000 a month, and I'm an employee for my own company, and then like that way you can get loans on shit because it actually says you have like a stable income. Which in the beginning I just plan on paying for shit in cash, so. This is fun price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 10 minutes of red candles. I don't compare myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Any input, co-host Johnny, or no? You're gonna sit there? Nice.
As
okay.
you can see in this market, it's going down.
Uh-huh.
There's a lot of consistent red candles.
Yep.
So my bias is a bearish bias.
All right, and back to you. Literally, that's what people talk about. I swear. Unless you're Top Step, then you're like, I'm trying to buy right, right now. Because it's gonna bounce off some random thing. Ugh. That's what, like, how are people commenting on this? And we're down to the, like, you'll just sit there and they'll be like, and we're down to the 970s now. And we're still dropping. Okay, like, I don't even know. I can't even fucking pretend because I don't even know what they talk about. I feel like you have to be a yapper to be a streamer, and I'm just not. I'm trying my hardest, but there's nothing to yap about when the market's just going fucking straight down. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Let's cut over to Johnny's accounts. Johnny, what are your accounts sitting at?
Like 50,800.
If you make one more arc and you get a payout?
No, I think I need to make like 2R.
What an idiot. You'll have the potential to make millions. Just play some music in the background, tell your friend to share his camera, and fake all your trades. Oh. I don't need to fake all my trades. I fucking... Realistic... The crazy part is somehow some idiot just sitting here in his mom's basement is a better trader than 99% of people. Which is crazy. Like, people say this in, like, Discords I'm in all the time. They're like, literally since you, have proof of a 10K month, you could make so much money off of it. And I'm like, the fact that that is a thing is absolutely crazy.
I just don't understand how.
Me either. This guy's a real retail trader. Everybody's a fucking retail trader. What does that even mean? I hate ICT people, I swear. I trade with the algorithm, and yet I still lose money every single day. But I know the algorithm. It's just my mental, man. Like, the market just goes fucking up and down, and then I just sell when it goes down, and I buy when it goes up. I just wait for a certain fucking setup. What's up, loser? Mike sucks. Wow, he actually changed his name? What's going on, Music Madness? That's a new low right there. That's crazy. You took the time to do that. Oh, that's actually comical. That's actually true. I just discovered you yesterday.
How are you so small and already have the biggest hater?
What do you mean? This guy's the best. You discovered me yesterday? On what? Like, what video did you see? I'm curious. Or was it just like a live stream that popped up? Like, how do you discover someone with 200 subscribers? I literally don't even know how that works. Unless you're me. Well, then again, if I go on that, there's actually people on my For You page. But that's because I only watch trading stuff. But, what is your name? I don't know even how to say that. Ilyas? Is that your name? Live stream popped out? I got you. Is your name Ilyas? Is that I-L? Ilyas. So. YouTube algorithm, he knows the algo? Yeah. I'm an ICT trader of YouTube. I know the YouTube algo. But it is true. Everyone's just a dork. They sit there and they're like, I know the market. And then it's like, how can you know the market and you lose money every day? And they're like, bro, it's just my mental. It's like, well, if you knew the market, your mental wouldn't be bad because you'd have so much confidence. But clearly you don't have confidence because you don't actually trust the algo that you think you know. Because then you get burnt on it because that's not how it works and it just fucking goes up and down randomly. And then you get burnt on it. And then you don't trust yourself. I would get Johnny to show his camera too, whoever said that, Ilyas, but I don't know how to do that and stream it. Like, I don't know how, like, Top Step TV does it. I don't know if you can, like, do it on Discord and then just, like, crop out his camera or something, but...
I don't want to be on camera. I like sitting here in my undies.
Yeah. I love Top Step TV. I bet you do, Music Madness. I bet you do. You're calling me a scammer and you like those guys? That's crazy. I can't believe you went through the effort of changing your name to Mike Sucks. That's actually comedy. I concern myself with hypothermia. Yeah, Ilias. I'm 24 years old and actually got a professional background in trading. I did an internship at a hedge fund last year, LMAO, and trust me, you trade better than 99% of traders. Well, that fucking boosts my ego. I mean, I don't know, like, that's kind of crazy. If you're telling the truth, but yeah, see, Mike Sucks is very skeptical. Cap. What's going on, football fanatic? How goes your flags? Have you traded today at all, or no? This is my first student, Johnny, as the kids say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a sensei?
What?
You're a sensei?
Yeah, totally. I talked to him for like a half hour on Discord. He's from the UK. He sounded British. See, here we go
What's
again.
up, mate?
Nope, haven't caught anything. Oh, that's fine. Neither have I, because there's been no fucking flag setups. Exactly what I'm warning you guys off. Yeah, I'm the scammer, Music Madness, and Top Step. They're the Messiah. I would go follow them. They know what they're talking about over there. Only tip I can give you is go to lower time frames, like 15-second or 5-second. 1 minute is too late. You're crazy. 15-second or 5-second. Literally every person says the opposite usually. Like, you're not using the monthly time frame in Confluence of your 5-second trade? That's crazy work. Let's see if Top Step's long. Seems like a day where Top Step would be long right now. I don't concern myself with some. We trade in milliseconds. I don't even know how that works. How can you trade in milliseconds if the candles print? Like, or that must be a joke. I don't even think you can. You can do the 1 tick chart. Is that new? Tick chart? I don't know how that helps, but let's see. Is Top Step long here?
Yeah,
It's stylish.
Oh, one guy in the Top Step is long.
Yep, sees it going straight down, rides along.
So the live account is up. Does that say $6,500?
I got a lot of.
No way.
Yeah, how many times have they reset it?
Oh, that's Dakota's, not the house account. Who's Dakota? That guy? Yeah. Jay is down 300. MP. What's this guy? He's long 5225 in the ES. 5225. Yeah. If you look at the ES clearly at 5225, it was clearly a perfect. How do you buy, Johnny? Look at my screen. How do you buy right there? I don't understand. How do you buy that? I don't understand. I don't understand. That is a terrible buy. That's what, like, they do it on purpose. I swear. Freaking this guy calls me the scammer. I swear. Top Step sits there and then has 10,000 or 5,000 people watching who are it's your fault for fucking copying other people's trades. But clearly, people who trade Top Step probably sit there and copy their trades, and then you buy here. What is that long? The only reason you're buying there is to fucking blow your account. I swear, or to get people to blow their account. What hedge fund do you trade for? I think he said he took an internship, but yeah, that's a good question. What hedge fund did you take an internship for? 15 second and check it out. You'll be amazed. I don't even know if I can. I'm gonna have a fucking seizure. There you go. 15 second. Well, I'm too poor for the 15 second. Unlucky. This price action is sick. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals. I couldn't be. Oh, Johnny, we've had one green candle. Are you buying?
Yep.
Okay.
Buying longs. I already did it. I already lost my account.
Second chart is free. Okay. Second chart is free on Ninja Trader. I don't even want to put on the second chart. Or what? What did you say? The 15 second? Wow, look at all these flags on the 15 second. I honestly probably wouldn't have taken any of these. Even on the 15 second. Girl, what you mean? She's like, I don't concern myself with hypotheticals that couldn't be. Ugh, man. Has anybody else taken a trade yet? Give me something exciting. Let me at least put a P&L sheet somewhere. Someone's got to be in something. Clearly, some people don't have any discipline and they'll trade whenever. Sell now? I'll probably go long in a minute. Oh no, I don't like, but okay. You're in a sell right now, Mike Sucks, or you're gonna be in a sell? What makes you want a long here?
Because they're like, the market's just going straight down and it's got to go up eventually.
Yeah, but you would think you would do that once and then you'd be like, oh, that's not the case. We can just keep falling and falling, or we can just keep going higher and higher. I fucking hate when I switch time frames and then all of a sudden just a candle goes missing on TradingView. Is it because we got the CISD? Music Madness hates Mike. Can't tell you. There we go. Then. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna take signals from you, Music Madness. Seems like a great plan. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. I'm like, girl, what you mean? Internal range, liquid. Dude, it's not rocket science. If we fail to make a lower low and make a new lower high and break it, I'm gonna take it long. It's that easy. And make a new lower. And wait. If we fail to make a lower low. Yeah, but how do you know when we fail? Like, do you count this as a fail already? It could still push. Technically, that's a flag there. Game's down. Just as it sweeps out the high. Take a short here. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, shocking. We keep going lower. Make me a mod in your chat. Yeah, Music Madness. Let me do that. The guy's name who's Music Madness hates Mike. I'm gonna make you a mod. Did you take that short or no?
Me? No.
Me either. We're too far away from the EMA. I need like some sort of consolidation here, or like some sort of a retracement. We're just not getting it. But this is what I'm talking about, Elliot. Is like, when do you determine that it's not a lower low? Because you could have been like, oh, those are your two wicks. We're strong here. We've pushed down long enough, and then what do? We just dump and make a whole new lower low again. That's why I just follow the trend. That's why you need a Discord, at least we can put screenshots. I'm not biting my nails. I do bite my nails, but I wasn't currently. Welcome, Trader Backtest. How are we today? Did you take any trades? What? Why would I have a Discord with fucking 5 people in it? I don't like what. How many like I feel like everybody who requests Discords, they must be in 100 Discords. Is that the case? Like, I feel like half the people who join are like, do you have a Discord? I'm like, no. I have 200 people. Johnny, there's some kid that I've watched before, and I literally don't think he's, I don't even know if he's passed an eval, or no, he's definitely passed the top step eval before. I literally don't think he has one payout, and I was like, oh, he has a fucking Discord? I'm like, I'm so curious, because he doesn't have, like, that many views or that many people who watch him. I mean, he has more than me, which isn't saying much. And then, like, I go and I look, and he literally has a fucking one-on-one mentorship in there that, like, you have to pay. Either $139 or $89 a month. I don't think he has one payout.
Who is this?
It's just some kid I watch. I don't really watch him that much, but I've like seen a couple of his videos, and then I was like, oh, he's got a, like I saw he like said something and like he's like into Discord or something, and then I'm like, oh, I'm curious, I'll click on it, and then I'm like, dude, how does this guy have a mentorship? I literally don't think he has one fucking payout, but I'm sure he makes money from it. Me and you, Mike, and him chilling alone with Tekkas and Walker. Yeah, literally, that would be the Discord Trader Backtest. That'd be me and Johnny who are already in a Discord, then it'd be Tekkas and you. So you can sit there and say racial slurs without Discord banning you. Some kid I watch, of course. Alright. He thinks I'm a pedophile.
No, it's just him. He's a scammer. He wants your money.
Yeah, totally. She's like, I don't concern myself. We're so far away on the 2
At this
minutes.
point, dude, I turned into such a scumbag. I'd sell courses. Why
You
not?
already could.
If you're dumb enough to fucking buy it, give me your money.
You don't deserve it. All morals out the window.
No, who fucking cares? They're dumb enough to.
Yeah, you can do it right now. Then do it, pussy. Scam people.
How would you get people to buy your course?
Fucking post a
Oh.
screenshot that shows you have 10K in fucking take profit trader payouts in the past month. That's all you need. Most people, dude, you have to think about it. People are selling courses and fucking mentoring people when they don't have a payout, and people are
Alright,
paying.
I'm going to just go into a bunch of small discords and just show that I have
You
made
could.
payouts
You
and see
literally
if people will
could.
give me money.
They would. They'll be like, teach me. I mean, that's what fucking Football Fanatic did. I could have charged him. He probably would have paid me. Sell a dream. Exactly. That's all it takes. Be like, you will be the one with the Lambo. You gotta make K's. Is that what the new kids say? Or the cool kids say? They make K's, not thousands? Like, literally, I could just go in chat rooms and be like, okay, here's this, even though I got denied twice. So people be like, why would you get denied? Even though it was fucking stupid trade bait. But I could just show this and they'd be like, oh, okay. And then they pay you money. I could just fucking screenshot this and be like, okay, here you go. Pay me money. She's like, I don't believe. I'm gonna put dinosaurs on that bitch. And she's like, why not put dinosaurs on that bitch? This sucks. This sucks. Mike, I clipped that kid's comment. Loser. What kid's comment? What, where I said I watched this kid on YouTube? Now everyone's gonna find out I'm a pedophile. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, brother. I'm concerned myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Like, I just wish I was a degenerate. And I could sit there and make it interesting. But I don't know how to break my rules. I need Tyrone to come in here and teach me. That's why everyone's streams are so entertaining. You just gotta 0-day J it. Just fucking blow accounts. Mike, you are cut though. I know that's weird.
Cut?
I have no idea what that means. What does that mean?
Like, is she talking about, like, you're actually, like, cut, like you're built?
Definitely not.
I was gonna say,
Cute.
Oh, he's cute.
Thanks. I love the thought that fucking grown men are jerking off to me on the internet. It really helps me go to sleep at night.
Bet you do, weirdo.
Technically, that's a higher low, or that's a. Like, this is kind of a flag here, and we swept out the high. We're just still so. We're still pretty far away on the 2 minute, which I don't love. Oh, I don't know. I might take this if it comes back down. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. If we break 17,940, you're gonna take a long. Well, we just did. I don't know if that's what you meant, but.
I don't love when it pushes down hard like that.
That's why I didn't get in.
Yeah.
If it came back down now, though.
Yeah, if it come back now. But that is a strong rejection. See?
I don't know. She's dancing around for now. She's dancing. Dancing in my room. Who's longer? Band Music Madness, Undercover Pedophile? I believe it. Maybe we needed one more trap here. We're gonna take out this high here, and then we're gonna come lower. We are way more choppy on the ES. Jesus Christ, it's barcode like a motherfucker. Mike, you smoke? No, I don't smoke. I don't do nicotine. I don't smoke. I don't do drugs. I hardly ever drink. So I'm so
It
depressed.
just shoots up caffeine right into the bloodstream.
Yeah. Looking very high. Oh, I don't know. I squint my eyes when I'm getting ready to get into a trade. Maybe that's why. Oh, fuck, we're coming down hard.
Order submitted. Order.
I may have just got too
Order
big there.
filled.
Let's see. Barely broken, I entered. I mean, I got a better fill because of it, but if not, if it doesn't fucking push.
I was waiting for a little bit more of a push.
Yeah. I probably would have got in there anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I got debated or not right there. You feel so sorry for me? Why? Because I don't smoke or anything. Oh, she may have trapped me. She may have trapped me. And the ES broke lower. Video still going lower. Apple going lower. Come on.
Stop filled.
Ooh.
Stop filled.
Well, she wicked me in.
Usually I'm the one that get trapped like that. It was just being so like rangy right there. I wanted to see like a little push down before I got that confirmation.
Thought it did, but maybe I was a little too early. Some real shit. Pull the 15-second out and look at the chart. It's a no-brainer that it's not a short. Sure. Well, I mean, like, it's always a no-brainer when it doesn't happen. Like, yeah. I don't know. I won't change my strategy because somebody's like, oh, do this instead. I have enough
I
evidence
just
that
think
what
you
I do works.
I just think you had to wait a little bit.
Time long. Good luck. Took your 10 points. It's that easy. You're right. You are the market maker.
He switches his name back to Music Madness.
Yeah, he did. Well, he said Music Madness hates Mike.
Oh, that's his name though? Oh.
Holy fucking shit. Get out of the basement. Mike, stay strong. You or him. No, I'm fucking killing myself. I'm done, so. I have one losing day. It's over for me. Feels bad. Ugh. Fuck me. Those are the ones I hate. The ones that I don't even feel great about that I got in on right away.
Yep, you just got trapped immediately.
Got, I guess, a little too jumpy. I still might have got in on the second one. I don't know because I wasn't looking as hard at the entry, but it just sucks sometimes. But I'll be more happy if I catch low of day, honestly, rather than getting trapped. And right now, we are ripping up. I mean, look at that. That's... I would have taken on almost no drawdown. Fucking 70 points straight up from my entry. I'm that good. Just give up. Okay, Music Madness, I will. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. You won't judge? You really mean it? If we failed to make a lower high, we broke 17,940. We made a new higher low, and we took a 10-point long. Easy. Yes, but you didn't know we were gonna make, like... No, never mind. You didn't know we were gonna make... You said that last time, and then we made a lower low. I was just trying to get in on the lower low, and then it didn't. Like, you could have just as well have been easily trapped, and it comes up here, sweeps out these, and then makes its dump. Like, it's only a failed break in perspective. It's only a fail lower low in fucking hindsight. You need a higher low confirmation and a breakout of that higher low. Please open a Discord. No, I'm not opening a Discord. 100% win rate hindsight. Would I have taken that buy signal? Me? I didn't have a buy signal. That's a, like somehow people they win and they're like, I'm a wizard. I know exactly what it's gonna do. It's like, all right, I win 70% of the time. That just happened to be one of the times I lose. Like. I cannot afford a Discord. Our Discord's free. Or I know Discords are free. You know, I can't afford a free Discord. It's unlucky. Oh, Johnny, we have softball practice today.
Okay. That's the thing.
I guess it was always like 1 or 2 before the season. I don't even know what time, but Sarah told me last night. I just remembered. Dude, if I have 67%, I'm not trying to be with it. I'm just having fun here. I understand. 67% what? Trading 1-to-1s? I would assume. 10 point. Take profit, 10-point loser. I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. Yeah, 1-1. Seems like that's a strategy. Seems like everybody I know that's fucking profitable, or seems profitable, does the same thing. Leave Mike alone, he's emotional right now. You know how it goes, trader back test. You lose, then you get sad. Especially on that one. Normally, it's not as bad, because, I'm like, okay, that was good, but when you question on if you should have got in or not, then it kind of sucks. Like, even if it just shot down to, the 906s, I would have felt good about myself or something. Or, just a little bit lower, and actually, but, I don't know, I may have jumped the gun. I'll rewatch it. Now I'm happy then. That's good, Music Madness. Do you trade Music Madness, or no? You just come on here and shit on my life? I don't concern myself with hypotheticals I couldn't be. My girl, what you mean? Anyway, I'm Brown, that's my name, okay? Like we broke the low on the ES. We were dropping on Nvidia. We were dropping on Apple. I'm sad. I'm sad. I don't like brown. Wow. World's smallest violin. Wait, hold on.
Oh, now he's got to play the Discord sound.
Hold
Lord.
on. Hold on.
What can I say except
Your mom gay.
You're welcome. I didn't lose any chocolate. I just added vanilla. Does that count as a trap, Johnny? It had to go sweep above the high, only the high was
I don't know.
that's from the 940s to the 990s. Is that a trap? And now it's gonna break the flag now. Oh god. I like white chocolate. What's happening? It's Jack single. Jack's not even here. But no.
No, he has a
He's
boyfriend.
got a boyfriend too. Did I get trapped? That's a trap there, and we break through, and let's see if we run.
I don't know.
I took a 10
I
point
think
short
pushed up
from
way too much.
935 to 925. 935. Did you get stopped, or you took it the second time? Took it here, or you took it here? At the wick, yeah, I get you. Nice. What do you trade? One mini? Or no, you said you did micros, right? Like 5 to 8 micros or something. I didn't lose any chocolate. I just added vanilla. New lower low broke it. It retested it. Took a short. Yeah. New lower low with a 15-second shot. He's really trying to convince me over to this 15-second. Putting you on game. Let's see if my setup would have entered in the 15 second. Let me play the woulda, shoulda, coulda.
I'm not gonna get in on a 100-point move up to a 100 point down.
What? This was my. What was my there? Or no, I don't think I got in there. I think I got in here. I got in on this break here. Shucks. I don't know. It's like I can't even. Oh, why did I delete this? There you go. But it came up, lower high, and then retested 9. What did you say your entry was? 935 to 925. Here, I retested it. Follow here. So you got in. It's that easy. Oh, you're in, trader back test. I feel like you don't take trades very often. Oh, there's... Let's see, what did you say? You're, yeah, it's smooth when it works. Like everything else. 17, 921, 50, 17.
You really just had to push up another freaking 80 points to trap you.
921, 50. 0.5 from. Oh, you just missed it. In 25.50. That was you there on that push up. That could have got you. Yeah, that sucks. I feel like limit orders are demoralizing because that shit happens. Like you wait all day for a trade and then it comes in and it misses you by like a point.
Yeah, that's why I only do market.
Well, we're also like, other people like want stuff to come back and like touch it and then go. Or we're like the opposite. We want it to push through. Like we want it to keep the direction it's going. Other people want it to like hit the direction and then reverse.
God, I don't.
True, but I get a better feeling. Yeah, that's true.
I need these high volume days back so I can fucking take trades where it moves enough.
Nope, that's Jover. Hello, 1 minute volume imbalance. I don't know what that means.
Fucking.
It's like the imbalance because the candle opened here and instead and didn't connect. Is that what the volume imbalance is? I never fucking know.
Yeah.
Candle open lower than the last candle. Look, what does that signify? Look, obviously you're gonna say an imbalance, but like, what the fuck does that mean? Bearish. What? So it's like a gap. If it gaps up, if there's one of those up, it would mean bullish. But if it's one of those down, it's bearish. Momentum, bearish momentum. Like what? There's so many sellers that I can't even connect the little candlesticks together. I don't like. Yeah, split second. We change price. Yeah. I guess. I'm trying to. Was there any other one like this here? Big ol'. It just never came back to it. Like, why didn't you short like here when it came back to this one here? I'm not in since it took the low. Uh-oh. Trader back to us. Sorry, but that's literally... That is not how you spell literally. Literary? Incorrect, dude. Uh-oh. You're about to get schooled. You're going to have to go to the 15-second time frame. Well, it doesn't look like there was any winners for us today, Johnny. I just took an unnecessary loser. Okay, brother,
Yep,
teach me.
fat loser. You're a
Literally,
fat loser scammer.
is that is Music Madness your burner account? Literally, the best trade was this one here, but it was so far away on the 2 minute. Then again, so was this. So I guess maybe I shouldn't have waited. I don't know. This is just a day I shouldn't have taken a trade. Man, I hate losing. It's such the worst.
Yep. And now you gotta go hit cardio and abs.
Fuck. Oh, it's just a bad loss. That's why I hate it.
Yeah, when you said you're like, oh, am I really gonna get bomb typed? I'm like, oh, you already got it in there. Usually you're the one who waits.
Well, it basically did everything I want. Like, it pretty much trapped, and then it came back down, and then it was pushing through, but it was just like such a bad push through. Normally I wait a
Yeah.
little bit longer. Just a little jumpy on a Monday morning, I guess.
The long weekend got him antsy. Did you guys do anything for Easter?
Went to Chinese food place. Just felt
Oh,
like
you
a
went with-
fucking bum.
You went and got hibachi?
No, I went with my family.
Oh. Yeah. I'm sitting there, it's like, I'm like, God, I'm gonna fucking eat so much bad shit, and I don't want to eat it. Like that's because we went out to eat, and I'm like, that's all I could think about. And then, like, they brought out, like, bread, and my dad, like, was, like, gave me a loaf, or, like, he was, like, handing me a plate and put a loaf on. I'm like, I don't want it. And he's like, you don't want to eat any bread? What's the matter with you? I'm like, trying not to eat, like, unnecessary, like, carbs and calories. And then he's like, like everyone else, when you try to like actually do something, like, that's stupid. You don't need a cut.
Yeah, you're not morbidly obese. But even if you are morbidly obese, so like, you still can have one slice of bread. Isn't gonna kill you.
And then like, I got a chicken parm, which probably still isn't that great, but it was just like mostly chicken, so I'm like, but it's breaded, so it's extra. But I'm like, okay, at least on Easter, it's like, it'll be my like little cheat. It's probably not the best, but it's still good enough. I'll get some good protein in. And then I was eating it. I'm like, I could fucking smack this whole thing, but I'm gonna have it for dinner later. I'm just gonna save like half of it. And then my mom's like, "What's the matter? You don't want to like eat?" I'm like, "Nah, I could eat this whole thing. I just try not to eat like so much where I'm hungry later. I'll just have the rest of this later." And they're like, I don't know. Everyone's just so like weird about it. You try to do anything, and everyone just turns weird.
Mm. That's it, like we went to like a buffet place, and I'm like, I literally had one plate, and I'm like, well, they definitely got their money off of me because I'm like, I'm just like my whole family's a bunch of fatties, so we all went up a bunch, but I'm just like, all right, I don't need this stuff in my face.
And then I weighed myself this morning, and I was like 170, like high 175. So I'm like, oh my fucking god, there goes literally like 4 pounds that I've just. Yeah, I know.
Chinese food, and then like I weighed myself today, I was like 199 or something. I'm like, it's whatever.
Hopefully it'll drop days again. Red Sox are about to start.
It's probably gonna take a while.
What, for them to actually start?
Yeah, they're probably gonna do like some whole like ceremony thing.
Right.
If I had to guess. They'll like
I hope the
bring out,
White Sox
they'll bring
smack
out
them
some
again.
people with like obliterated legs and be like, "You're a survivor." It's true.
uh, God, we're fucked.
That might have been the flag setup of the day right there, but it came down pretty hard to it. I was thinking about getting it. Let's see if it plays out, but. Ilias, I think you have to explain to Trader Backtest what your version of a volume imbalance is. He wants to know. I'm 914 short. Let's see it. 10 points. "15-second Diddy candle." That's 15-minute. That one or something? I don't know. I don't know what a 15-second Diddy candle means. Break even? Means it hit you break even or you went break even? Oh, Trader Backtest said Diddy candle. So that was your break even right there? It just hitted me be my break even. I gotcha. Hit it. Alright, let me do my steak dollar, then I'm getting out of here.
The steak dollar.
Yes, I'm a gambler, Music Madness. I know. Where are we? Where is Blackjack? Here we go. Awesome. Wow. 21. Alright, let's go. $2.50. 14 out of 3. 17. Feels bad. Okay. Oh. Hey, oh, the Pops is dead. The fuck? What the fuck does that mean? Oh. Alright, I'm sad. I'm getting off. Don't play your account, people. Peace out.